See, to eat with, like, if you want to eat with her, you gotta put something she likes on the plate. So now there's seeds on my plate with the the frozen burrito that I warmed up. And she's eating the seeds so that she doesn't try to eat the cheese and stuff off of the burrito. I tried with the paper towel, but didn't attract her. Like, she wants to eat from the plate like a human.
Isn't that right, Blake? You think you're a human? Yeah.
Anyways, just wanted to share a little moment with Blake.
Say bye-bye, Blake. Bye-bye.